Hello, my name is David Newt, and the video you're about to watch is about SLC 5 conversion kits.
We'll first start by disconnecting all of the SLC I/O terminal block wiring harnesses. Next, we'll actually remove the SLC 500 chassis. The new lower mounting plate actually connects all to the same mounting hole, so it makes it install pretty easy. Now we'll install all of our 1492 I/O conversion modules onto the back. We'll screw in all of our original SLC 500 terminal block wiring harnesses into the new 1492 conversion modules. Next, we're going to attach our upper mounting plate to the lower one. We've pre-installed our new Compact Logix 5380 on here and secured it in with a couple of end anchors. You don't have to do that beforehand, you can do it afterwards. And this just gets attached with a couple of sliding and hitch pins. We'll just hinge it up, and the upper gets secured in with 4 screws. And then lastly, we're just going to snap in the other end of our 1492 conversion modules. And we're done.
Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information, please contact your local salesperson or visit us online.